In this video, you'll learn how to track business expenses in QuickBooks in just a few minutes, so you can stay on top of your spending and maximize your tax deductions. First, open your browser and go to quickbooks.intuit.com. Sign into your QuickBooks online account. Make sure your bank account and credit cards are already connected, since this is the easiest way to track every business expense automatically. Next, click on the Plus New button in the top left corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Expense to start manually adding a new business expense to your QuickBooks records. Now, fill in the expense details. Enter the payee, payment account, payment date, and category. QuickBooks will automatically link the expense to the right account in your chart of accounts for accurate reporting. After that, add the expense breakdown. Enter the amount, tax, and description for each item. You can also attach a receipt directly to the expense, making it easy to keep all your records organized in one place. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the expense and update your financial reports instantly. You can review your tracked expenses in the Expenses section of your dashboard anytime. And that's it. Your business expenses are now tracked in QuickBooks, ready for tax season and smarter decisions.